Look at that golden crust, those deep olive oil dimples, and that soft, airy center. Today, we're making homemade focaccia bread in the Overmont bread oven, and it turns out beautifully crisp on the outside and fluffy inside. If you love bakery-style bread at home, this method is simple, reliable, and so satisfying. Let's get started! For this focaccia, we're using flour, salt, warm water, sugar, and instant yeast. That's it for the base. Mix everything until you get a soft, slightly sticky dough. Focaccia dough should feel hydrated. That's what helps create that light texture and those beautiful air pockets. After mixing, let the dough rise until doubled. While that happens, let's talk about why this bread oven works so well. This Overmont bread oven is a 6-quart cast iron baker designed to help you get bakery-style results at home. The heavy-duty cast iron holds heat really well and distributes it evenly, so your bread bakes more consistently. One feature I really like is the shallow bottom. Instead of lowering soft dough into a deep pot, you can place it directly onto the base much more easily. That makes handling focaccia simpler, especially since this dough is soft and delicate. Then, the high dome lid gives the bread room while baking and helps create the ideal enclosed environment. Now for the fun part. Use your fingertips to press deep dimples all over the dough. Then, drizzle the top generously with a mixture of olive oil, garlic, and fresh parsley. The step lid knob also helps keep your hand a bit farther from the hot steam. Once it's covered, the tight fit helps trap steam inside. That's the key for a soft and airy interior focaccia bread. Then, when you remove the lid near the end of baking, the top gets that beautiful golden finish with crisp edges. The result is focaccia that looks rustic, smells amazing, and tastes like it came from a bakery. And here it is. Golden, fluffy, and full of flavor. The crust has just the right bite, and the inside stays soft and tender. Cleanup is easy too. The smooth enamel surface wipes clean with a soft sponge or cloth, which makes baking feel even more enjoyable. If you want to make homemade focaccia with a crisp crust and airy center, give this recipe a try. And if you want an easier way to bake beautiful bread at home, check out the Overmont Enameled cast iron bread oven. You'll find the full recipe and product link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye!